In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum values by cell color in Excel. If you've ever highlighted cells to flag different categories and then needed a quick total for just one color, this method is fast and reliable. We're going to pair a single formula with Excel's filter by color feature, so the total updates automatically as you switch colors. Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. Pick a spot outside the data you plan to total, such as a blank cell below or beside your table. That way, the calculation won't interfere with your list. Now type the formula. Enter an equals sign, then subtotal, open the parenthesis, type 9, and select the range you want to sum. Close the parenthesis. Written out, it looks like equals subtotal open parenthesis 9, comma, your range, close parenthesis. The number 9 tells Excel to perform a sum. The subtotal function is special because it ignores rows that are hidden by a filter, which is exactly what we need for color-based totals. Make sure your selected range only includes the numeric cells you want added together. Press Enter to confirm. You should see the full sum for the range right away. If the number looks off, check that you selected the correct cells and that they contain numbers, not text. Next, turn on filters. The quickest shortcut is Ctrl-Shift-L. If your data has headers, click anywhere inside your list first, so Excel adds the drop-down arrows to each column header. You'll know it worked when little filter icons appear. Finally, use Filter by Color. Open the drop-down arrow in the column that contains your colored cells, point to Filter by Color, and choose the fill color you want to total. Excel will instantly hide all other rows, leaving visible only the rows with that color. Because you used subtotal, your result cell now updates to show the sum of just those visible, color-matched values. Change the color selection, and the total refreshes automatically. That's all it takes. Click your result cell. Use the subtotal formula with function number 9 on your target range, press Enter, enable filters, and then filter by the fill color you care about. It's a clean, no macro approach that keeps your sheet flexible and easy to maintain. If you revise any amounts or change cell fills, there's nothing extra to do. The subtotal recalculates instantly based on what's visible. And if you're using conditional formatting, filter by color follows the applied fill, so your totals always reflect your current visual categories.